Operating and maintaining complex oil and gas assets efficiently can be daunting. However, your employees can benefit extensively from the simplification that innovative simulation-based tools can bring.
When we design, operate and maintain oil and gas infrastructure, we create a rich dataset. At the center of this data is your employee whose skills and knowledge is vital to achieving your organizational goals.
Your conventional approach to tackling this complexity may involve your personnel sent on trainings where they struggle to translate the abstractness of PowerPoint presentations into real understanding and attempt to put their training into tangible actions. This can be daunting, expensive and time-consuming. Unlike conventional training that depend on classrooms, training videos and expensive life-sized equipment, your frontline workforce can harness the power of 3D simulator that runs online replica of your processes, critical tasks and actions. Have you met your asset's twin? He is digital. He is DevCom Process Simulator, DPS. DPS is a powerful new tool that helps improve safety and operational performance. It uses process controls wrapped around 3D digital twins of your operating asset. With DPS, your employees can up their game before stepping into site by role-playing in the virtual asset and touring the nuances of how your assets are likely to behave in real-world condition. DPS can be customized into a fully functioning digital twin of your assets with many layers of complex data that provide a rich, fully integrated and playable software version of your asset. Your engineering design content including process flow diagrams, specifications, process flow control schemes, your DCS, operating capacities, throughputs and physical variables like pressures, flows, and temperatures can be digitally experienced in real time. DPS is bringing to you a world of opportunities including the ability to reveal inconsistencies in your process, upskilling of your critical personnel, testing of control philosophies to speed up execution and throughput of your assets.
Within DPS you can mimic your process by pairing a controls or HMI interface with digital reality for an immersive training platform. The first component that is important is seen as emulation of plant controls. Through a customizable HMI, the operator can see and change plant parameters at the click of a button and using mouse or keyboard actions. This base function of the DPS provides you with a virtual controller so that you can run your process without a physical hardware and simulate the response of plant controls within the process plant. The plant controls is backed by software that applies first principles of thermodynamics in a computer or distributed over multiple computers. Specific design parameters such as vessel sizing and fluid compositions can be applied to define a steady state. The DPS engine running in the background takes the static design and produces dynamic results. The HMI interfaces with a 3D environment which can be modified to your specific plant requirements to achieve an immersive simulation. Field operations are achieved using well-designed actions including opening or closing of valves, checking of equipment status or even readout of parameters etc. Just like in a real plant, actions taken from the HMI affect the process in the field and vice versa. Your trainees will recognize the DPS environment as the real one. Your operators and maintenance personnel can gain complete understanding of equipment and acquire deep knowledge of operational procedures and maintenance activities. The DPS environment also provides a progressive learning path where trainees can experience different scenarios with an increasing level of complexity. Finally, performance can be logged in a learning management server with error tracking and overall session scoring.